Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera focus issue on iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, clean your camera lens. So sometimes your camera lens is not clean, that's why the camera do not focus on the subject. So after cleaning your camera lens, your focus will start working properly. And if it's still not working, then open settings, and in settings scroll down and click on general. Then here click on software updates and check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest version, then update it, and after that your camera lens will start working properly and start focusing properly. And if it does not work, then open settings again and tap on general and scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone. So after that click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your screen time passcode, and then to confirm again click on reset all settings. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset your all iPhone settings, and the camera focus issue will be solved. And if it's still not working, then contact Apple support for your issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.